Are you frustrated by stubborn belly fat that just won't budge no matter what you do? You're not alone. Most people struggle with this problem, but the good news is, you don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership to fix it. Stubborn belly fat isn't just about appearances, it can also increase health risks, including heart disease, diabetes, and other serious conditions. If you've been trying endless crunches and crash diets without results, it's time to switch things up. In this guide, you'll learn 5 proven exercises you can do at home that target belly fat effectively. These simple yet powerful moves will help you burn calories, strengthen your core, and finally achieve the toned midsection, all from the comfort of your living room. The problem: why belly fat is so hard to lose. Belly fat, particularly visceral fat, is notoriously difficult to shed. Unlike other types of body fat, visceral fat surrounds your internal organs, making it both harmful and challenging to burn. 1. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a full-body workout disguised as a core exercise. They engage your abs, shoulders, and legs while also providing a cardio boost. How to do it? Start in a plank position with your arms straight. Drive one knee toward your chest, then switch legs quickly as if you're running. Continue for 30-60 seconds. Why it works? This exercise keeps your heart rate up, burns calories, and directly targets your abdominal muscles. 2. Bicycle crunches. This classic move is one of the most effective for engaging the rectus abdominis and obliques. How to do it? Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring one knee toward your chest while extending the opposite leg. Twist your torso so your elbow touches the opposite knee. Switch sides. Why it works? Bicycle crunches combine strength and cardio elements, helping you sculpt your waistline while burning calories. 3. Plank variations. Planks are unbeatable for building core strength, and adding variations can amplify the fat-burning effects. Standard plank. Hold a plank position for 30-60 seconds. Side plank. Focus on your obliques by holding a plank on one side. Plank with shoulder taps. Tap your shoulder with the opposite hand while maintaining a plank position. Why it works? Planks engage your entire core and stabilize muscles, creating a firm and toned midsection over time. Orcs. This rotational movement specifically targets the sides of your abdomen, helping to create a leaner silhouette. Consistency is key. Aim to perform these exercises 4 to 5 times a week for the best results. Combine with diet. A balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and whole grains is essential for burning fat. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration supports fat loss and muscle recovery. Track progress. Measure your waistline or take progress photos to stay motivated. Burning belly fat doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With these 5 proven exercises, you can build a stronger, leaner core from the comfort of your home. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your results unfold over time. If you're ready to take control of your fitness journey, why wait? Try these exercises today and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and workouts that make a real impact.